In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your ActiveCampaign API key. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive into the process. First, let's clarify why you might need your API key in the first place. An API key is essential when you want to connect ActiveCampaign with other applications or integrate it with a website or tool. It essentially provides a secure way for different software to communicate with each other, allowing you to automate tasks, manage contacts, and get insights without doing everything manually. All right, ready to get started? The first step is to log into your ActiveCampaign account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one on their website, which is fairly straightforward. Just fill in the necessary information, verify your email, and you should be good to go. Once you've logged in, take a look at the left-hand side menu of the dashboard. You might find it slightly overwhelming at first, but don't worry. We're looking for the section called Settings. It's usually represented with a gear icon or simply labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. Now, within the Settings menu, look for an option labeled Developer. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to retrieving your API key. Click on Developer, and you should see a section that says API Access. Here's the exciting part. When you click on API Access, your API key will be displayed right there on the screen. It's a long string of letters and numbers, and you might want to keep it secure since this key allows access to your ActiveCampaign account. So here's what you should do next. Copy the API key. You can do this by highlighting the text and right-clicking to select Copy, or simply using the keyboard shortcut Control-C or Command-C on Mac. After you've copied it, I recommend that you paste it somewhere safe, like a password manager, or if you're in a rush, just a temporary notepad file. Once you've secured that key, we can move to the next step. Now, if you scroll down on that same page under API Access, you'll also see your API URL. Although you might primarily be interested in the API key, the URL is important for making connections too. So take a moment to copy that as well. It's basically your ActiveCampaign domain that you will need along with the API key when setting up any integrations. And just like that, you now have your ActiveCampaign API key. It's a simple and quick process, but one that opens up a world of possibilities for automating your marketing efforts. Whether you're looking to synchronize your contacts across platforms, set up webhooks, or create custom applications that interact with ActiveCampaign, having that API key and URL handy will make it all much easier. Before we wrap up, remember to keep your API key confidential. Treat it like a password. Don't share it publicly. If at any point you believe your API key has been compromised, you can regenerate it from the same API Access section we just navigated. So that's it for today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did,